Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Infiniti FX35 computer. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface with the engine off. You'll need a wrench to access the battery terminals. This simple reset can often resolve minor electrical glitches or clear error codes, giving your car a fresh start. It's a straightforward process that many owners can perform themselves, saving a trip to the mechanic. Now, let's disconnect the battery. Pop your hood and locate the battery. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal first. This is usually marked with a minus sign. Carefully remove the cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch the battery post. Then, do the same for the positive terminal marked with a plus sign. This ensures safety and prevents any electrical shorts. After waiting about 15 minutes, it's time to reconnect. Start by attaching the positive battery cable first, making sure it's tight and secure. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring it's also snug. Once both are connected, start your engine. Let it idle for a few minutes without touching the accelerator. This allows the computer to relearn its idle parameters and other settings. Finally, check your dashboard for any persistent warning lights. You'll likely need to reset your radio stations and the clock, as these settings are often lost during a battery disconnect. Drive your FX35 normally for a bit. This helps the computer fully adapt to its new settings. If you still experience problems after this reset, it's best to consult a certified mechanic for further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.